We deliver water services to 49 towns in Victoria, from Echuca to Trentham, Denali to Heathcote, and everywhere in between. Big or small, if your town is on this map, you probably get your water from us. For some towns, the raw water is right next door, like Echuca, where it comes out of the mighty Murray River. For others, it might come from far away. For example, the tap water in Boort starts its journey 150 kilometres away in the Waranga Basin. So depending on where you live, your water will come from different sources, and we call these supply systems. Let's take a closer look. We'll start down south, where these towns get their water from the Coliban system. These towns, including Castlemaine and Kyneton, get their water from the Coliban system south. The water comes from 3 reservoirs on the Coliban River: Malmesbury, Upper Coliban and Lauriston. Heading a little up north, these towns, including the largest one, Bendigo, can be supplied from those same reservoirs on the Coliban River via the Coliban main channel. But importantly, water can also come from Lake Eppalock and even the Waranga Western Channel via the Goldfields Superpipe. We call this the Coliban System North. Out west, in the Loddon Wimmera system, the water supply is primarily drawn from the Wimmera Mallee Pipeline and the Southwest Loddon Pipeline. Some of these towns can also be supplied by the Loddon River. In the Goulburn system, which supplies towns like Pyramid Hill, Boort and Rochester, we source water from the Waranga Western Channel, which brings water from the Waranga Basin. This is managed by Goulburn Murray Water. Up on the border with New South Wales, Kahuna, Leachville, Gunbower and Echuca are all supplied by the Murray system. Elmore and Trentham are different again. Elmore is supplied by 2 groundwater bores. And in Trentham, water is sourced from 2 spring-fed reservoirs and supplemented by groundwater bores. Finally, there's Gornong, which gets its water from the Campaspe River. There is a lot to learn about water and how it gets to your tap. If you'd like to know more about this, you can find out more on our website.